Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and signing into your Google account so Lens can use your data and sync. Once done, load the image you need. Either open it directly in Chrome or go to Google Photos and select the file. Make sure the image is fully visible, then right-click and choose Search Image with Google Lens, or, in Photos, click the Lens icon. This begins the lens analysis immediately and prepares selectable results for the next steps. After Lens opens, you'll see suggested regions and tools. Click a suggestion or drag to select a precise area to analyze. Use the text tool to extract OCR, translate to convert languages, shopping for product matches, or similar to find visually related images. Make sure to refine the crop if results are noisy. Smaller, focused selections yield cleaner OCR and better matches. You can copy extracted text to clipboard, open any detected links, or click results to jump to detailed pages. Finish by saving useful outputs. Copy OCR text to Google Docs or Clipboard, download images, or add shopping results to a wish list. Once done, review links opened by Lens and bookmark or archive what you need. If images go to Google Photos, save edits there for later. If Lens does not appear, update Chrome, clear cache, sign in, and check the Chrome flag for Lens. In many cases, enabling the feature or using Google Photos Web restores functionality quickly. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.